Obviously, this is a geometry question. And so you might go to the reference chart that's kind of given to you in the app for this to see all the geometry formulas, but they don't specifically give us any formulas about cubes. So that might throw you off a little bit. It doesn't really bother me though, because a cube is basically a rectangular prism, a box, that just happens to have a length, width, and height all the same. So if you go and you look at the formula and you say, okay, length times width times height, well, for a cube, they're all the same. So they tell us the length is 41, so we can just do 41 as the length, 41 as the width, 41 as the height. So it's just 41 times 41 times 41. So I'm just going to do that right now on my normal calculator, and you get a crazy big number, 68,921, but that's an answer, so we're good. If you want to get more specific about it, a cube, remember, it has some of its own formulas. We can think of the volume of a cube as s cubed, right? The side length cubed, because they're all the same. So that's length times width times height would get there. The only other formula I'll add in, just since we're talking about cubes, is surface area. So let's do surface area of a cube, and that would be 6s squared, right? Because think of a cube, it is basically like a die, right? So there's 6 sides, front, back, left, right, top, bottom, and each one has an area of s squared because the side length, or one face, is a square. So side squared, and then there's 6 of them, so that's 6s squared. So that might come in handy. Again, these are things that you don't need to be given because in a way you're given them when you have any sort of box, but maybe these are shortcuts that just make you a little bit more confident on test day. So cubes are just boxes that are very, very easy to work with.